Chanel mia tuiction.
This is the only place on the tape where you'll be asked to say anything in English. We'll give a phrase and then ask what it means using dé hasin y cialachig. You give the meaning.
Hai voor.
Dé hasin y cialachig.
It is cold. Chatelum tea.
Dé hasin y cialachig.
I don't like tea. Ha me het allemach.
Dé hasin y cialachig.
I'm going out. Now you take Shonag's place asking Jé hashina kilachu every time. Hai voor. Jé hashina kilachu. It is cold. Chatelum tea. Jé hashina kilachu. I don't like tea. Ha me het allemach. Jé hashina kilachu. I'm going out.
One more that could be handy. Ciamer a chanas me. How do I say? Ciamer a chanas me. A chanas me. A chanas me. Ciamer a chanas me. Ciamer a chanas me.
Ha mi gyri coffee gal agus tea mas e tolle.
Ha mi dulich, je hoorst sjuf. Ha mi a gausiger Gaelic.
Ha mi gyri coffee gal agus tea.
Camera ganis me, I haven't got any coffee.
Chanel coffee agam.
Da believe, well, chanel coffee agam.
Before a recap, a quick look at phrases you might hear from a close friend. We've met Canamh sin a riist. Say that again. You may also hear can sin a riist. Can sin a riist. Can sin a riist.
Canamh, the formal form, is often shortened to just can when talking to a close friend. In the same way, Brynamh becomes Bryn. So as well as Brynamh gesluitach, you may hear Bryn gesluitach.
And the recap. Camera chanas me. How do I say I don't understand? Chanel me a tuiction. I don't understand. Chanel me a tuiction.
Camera chanas me, say that again. Use the formal form. Canamh sin a riist. Say that again. Canamh sin a riist.
Camera chanas me. Speak slowly. Use the formal form. Brynamh gesluitach. Speak slowly. Brynamh gesluitach. Ciamar a hashiv. Faltje go unit the kiher diak. Unit a kiher diak. In this unit, we'll be looking at ways of introducing the family. Antiolach. 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 Antiolach.
The words father and mother are ahar, father, ahar. Ahar and mahar, mother, mahar. Mahar.
My father is Mo, my, Ahar, father. But it's always abbreviated to Maher. Maher. Maher.
And my mother, Movahir, Movahir. Listen to the letter change here. The M has changed to V. Mahir, Movahir.
Shomavahar. Hello, Kimara Hashiv.
Hakama, Tapaliv.
Agus Shom Mahar.
Kimara Hashav.
Levar tapeliv. Hefelu curious gebehe.
Ha, Tapalat.
Kwashin. Oh, hello. A Katrina. Shomavahar. Shomahar. Shomafaranton.
Maher agus Movaher. My father and my mother. Maher agus Movaher. Note here also the word parenton, parents, parenton. My parents is Mo farenton. Mo farenton.
Shomavahar. Hello, Kimara Hashiv.
Hakama, Tapaliv.
Agus Shom Mahar.
Kimara Hashav.
Levar tapeliv. Hefelu curious gebehe.
Ha, Tapalat.
Kwashin. Oh, hello. A Katrina. Shomavahar. Shomahar. Shomafaranton.
Introduce your mother. Sho Movaher. Sho Movaher.
Introduce your father. Sho Mahir. Sho Mahir.
Introduce your parents. Sho Mofaranton. Sho Mofaranton.